Hello everyone, thank you for joining today's section on functional safety. My name is Daniel. I'm a senior controls and functional safety engineer. I'm also a co-founder of Logic Process Automation, a company that is into functional safety implementation and the control systems integration. We design ICSS systems and SIS systems for process industry like the oil and gas, chemical plants, and other process applications. So we are having a 7-part series where we'll be discussing IEC 61511 standard explained for process plant managers. And trust me, it's going to be a very interesting series. You know, a lot of interesting concepts that you need to know, which some of them are things you already know, but that's going to encourage you in process risk reduction, downtime reduction, reducing financial loss in your process plant, and increasing the profitability of your business. So what I want to do, before I start sharing those videos series, I want to give a brief introduction of my humble self. My name is Daniel Esimoke, a senior controls systems and functional safety engineer. In terms of experience, overall, I've been in the oil and gas and process applications for over 10 years now. In terms of industry certifications, I'm a registered and certified functional safety engineer, and I was certified and registered by TUV Renland. If you want to verify if this is true, this is my ID number, and my registration and certification focuses on SIS systems, that's safety instrumented systems for process industries, the oil and gas, the chemical plants, and other process applications. So aside that, I'm also a certified ISA/IEC 62443 OT cybersecurity design specialist. This is generic anyways, but good to mention that my budget is still current anyway. The current one is still valid until June 2027. When it comes to education, the highest education I have at the moment is a master's degree in automation, controls, and robotics. So I did this automation, control, and robotics master's, and I obtained it from Sheffield Hallam University here in England, the United Kingdom. When I was preparing this slide, I came across some of my old school pictures. So I just felt, let me just add it, you know. That was made 6 years ago. Okay. So if you want to reach me, you can email me on this, e.daniel@logicprocessautomation.com. You can also call me or WhatsApp me on this number and my UK line as well. So going forward, the series is going to be introduction, like I mentioned, to the standard, explained in an interesting way. So after this series, we will have a case study where we'll pick up a safe loop, a complete safe loop scenario in an oil and gas application. Then we'll run through all the phases of functional safety lifecycle, from HAZOP to LOPA to SRS development to SIS design, the PFD calculations, application software development, and everything that has to do with the architecture, constraint, and all that. Then we'll also discuss installation, commissioning, validation of SIS systems. We'll discuss modification, how modifications are actually supposed to be done, the proper way, you know, from your MOC to your proper impact analysis, you know, developing modification work pack, you know, doing it the best way it's being done, because you can't just modify safety systems. There are procedures. We're also going to functional safety assessment, what to expect, how it's being done. Then audit is gonna be very interesting series, trust me. So thank you for your time. See you on my next section.